Day 15 of my fasting period. Today I am over the second third of my fasting, and if you'd like to know what this fast looks like, stick around. On this day, we're going to talk about how it looks when you don't stick to the fasting rules. This is all I'm going to say for now, and if you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I talk about prolonged fasting, which is anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks. I've been fasting for past 28 years, and I am helping you, would like to help you start your own fasting journey and successfully complete it. All right. Day number 15. Today has been a terrible day. It's not a typical bad day as I usually tell you when I'm fasting, but today has been a really terrible day just because my arm hurts like hell. I was not sleeping at all this night. I could not move my arm. Yesterday I was complaining that my arm hurts here, and I can, I have difficulties lifting it up, but it moved all around my arm to my fingers and my wrist. I cannot lift it at all. Everything I do is very tiring, and thankfully I wrote my physical therapist or my masseuse if he has some time tomorrow morning, and today at 7:15 I was already sitting on his table, and let me tell you, he just went like this, gently, almost touched me, and I almost jumped off the table. It's incredible how this feels, incredible. But I managed to get my notes done. My husband did them for me because it's my right arm and I'm writing with my right arm. So I do have some interesting data to show you or to tell you. First of all, I dropped 0.7 kilograms from last day. So it was interesting. Yesterday I dropped for 100 grams. Today I dropped 700 grams. It's incredible. Not in the 15th day. I couldn't believe it. On the 15th day, this is usually when your weight goes up or it drops for about 10 grams or something like that, or 100 grams, and that's it. But it was interesting. And not only me, my mother also went down quite a considerable weight, and my father also, but my husband, it was around, I think, half a kilo, something like that. And since I can't move my right arm, I am not working today. I am at home. I can barely move actually. I've decided to not break my fast, but to not follow the rules today. It was not after my own choice, but my physical therapist, or my masseuse did actually tell me to go ahead and take some painkillers, some pain medicine, against pain medicine. He strictly forbade me not to take them on an empty stomach because I will have stomach issues. So I took 2 very strong pills just to help me relax my shoulder a bit because it was really incredibly painful. So I ate 1/4 of an apple, I think. It was 2 very small slices just because I needed to get something in my stomach and that it would be digested along with the food and not only go directly to the kidneys from the juice, vegetable juice. So, that when I was saying that first bite after you start eating again is like heaven. Well, this was nothing like it. And I always start, for the past 5 to 10 years, I always start breaking my fast with a very thin slice of apple, and I did it today also, but it was nothing like I expected. I was disappointed. I didn't want to eat. I didn't want to taste it. I had no pleasure in eating it. I didn't even miss the chewing. It doesn't matter what I felt 2 days ago. I didn't like it because I knew that it was not something that I decided. But the pain was too strong and I couldn't hold on anymore. And I am really against medicine. You know, if I can hold on without pills, then I will do it. And I only take them as the last reserve. But this time it could not be helped. And it was not a pleasant experience. And I was shocked to realize that. I took my medicine, my husband crumpled it up into dust basically, and I drank it with my tea after a straw, and then I ate 2 more little slices of apple. So I think it was 1/4 of an apple all in total. And that was it. That was it. I didn't take any more pain medication after that. I hope that tonight is going to be a little different, and that I'll be able to sleep, because I didn't sleep. I think that I slept for half an hour, and then I turned and I tried to position my hands so it wouldn't be, you know, that my muscles wouldn't be strained, but they were strained anyway. So it was really difficult to find the position, and after that I was just half sitting in the bed, and my arm was basically hanging off the bed, just to you know, get some shut eye at 2 o'clock in the morning. That's it. And basically what my day looked like today was I was sitting in front of the TV for most of the day. I looked 2 seasons of Mr. Poirot from Agatha Christie. I don't know if you know this series. It's an old series. It's been done, I think, in 1990s. But the actor is really good, and I like to see how the wheels are turning in his head. So if you haven't seen it, and if you love mysteries and of course Agatha Christie, thumbs up for that. What else? Yeah. Because of my problems with my shoulder, it's been difficult to dress myself. It's been difficult to undress myself. Don't even get me started how to buckle up my bra. It's incredible. So yeah, I've been in my undies all day and covered to the fullest to here with blankets, and sitting, or yeah, basically near the fireplace, so I'm not cold, but every pressure on my shoulder, it's really excruciating, so I don't like that. One other thing, because of my arm pain and my shoulder pains, I don't feel any problems regarding fasting. So it's really a psychological term, I think, because I am focused on the pain in my arm. I am not focused on how I feel because I'm not eating. I'm not bothered by it at all. The only thing that I am bothered with is because I ate. And I wonder what the kilograms will show tomorrow morning when I'm weighing myself. And one other thing, what I didn't do today, and I should have done, but I was not capable of, is my measurements. So it's day 15th, the 2 weeks are up, and after each week I take my measurements, you know, the measurements of my whole body. You take the widest part of each body part that is in the measurement tracker, and you try to measure as closely as you did take the measurements last time, and then you see the difference, and it really is very motivating. But today I have no desire for being motivated by fasting. I just wanted to lay down. I just wanted to, you know, doze off a bit when I was watching, and I hope that this night is going to be a little bit different. So yeah, no measurements, but otherwise fasting concerned, no problems at all. So it's been a good day fasting, even though I did eat 1/4 of an apple. I chewed it really, really, really thoroughly. So basically only the liquid came down with that small hard bits. But it was necessary to take my pills. And now I have to read to you what day 15 looked like a year before. And a year before I was fasting in April. So it was April 18th. And I was 70 kilograms in weight. And I lost 0.3 kilograms from day 14 to day 15. And I wrote, it was another productive day. I measured myself this morning and I was pleasantly surprised by the numbers. The weight has stopped falling so drastically, but now it's all about the fat melting away. It's unbelievable. I wrote an entire article in one sitting, optimized it, and put it online. I can't believe I have so much energy and imagination these days. After the morning work, I started planning for lunch. I love cooking when I'm not eating, and the boys said that it's to fat. What? The boys said that it's to fatten them up. Yeah, but experimenting with new meals is my favorite thing when fasting. Today I've decided to spoil them with a new kind of hamburgers they have never tried before. In the afternoon, I was off shopping for a bathing suit with my mother. We decided to have a girl outing. It was the first time I actually looked at my body in the mirror since going on a fast, because when I'm measuring myself, I never look myself in the mirror. I just take the measurement, the measuring tape, and I measure all around the specific parts of my body, but I never look myself in the mirror. But it looks like that I did. I was shocked to see the difference from 2 weeks ago. The fat around my thighs and my butt has decreased immensely. Trying on the bathing suit was like a present. Everything fit so well, nothing was bursting at the seams, even the bra fitted better than usual. Coming home, I sat in front of the TV again for several hours watching the cooking shows, collecting the recipes for new dishes. Yeah, I forgot about that outing that I had last year. But yeah, I never thought about going on a shopping spree yet because of my arm now, obviously. But I've decided to do it after the fast, at least 2 days after the fast, because then my stomach will be full enough so I will know what my real measurements are. Because when I start eating again, I take my measurements. So on the day 22nd, I take my measurements before I start eating. And before I have, dinner and a lunch and the breakfast in the next day inside of me, you cannot really be sure what your waist measurements really will be. And you can miscalculate when buying too tightly fitting clothes. So yeah, so that's that. This was my day 15 last year, and this is my day 15 this year. I hope that I've inspired you a little bit, that you can, even if you are in pain, you can still fast, but you have to modify it a little bit. I hope that tomorrow will be a little bit different. I only took 2 pills at once this day, and I can feel that the medication started to wear off a bit, because I can feel my arm much more than I did in the morning when I took the pills. And also, as you can see, it's not night yet, but I don't think that today will be any more interesting things that's going to happen, because I'm getting right back to the couch. I had difficulty coming here even, and I will be probably looking at some cooking shows, because I want to see what recipes I was raving about last year, and maybe there will be some repeats this year, and maybe I can start cooking for the boys, who knows. So yeah, this is everything for day 15th. I would like to clap my hands, but I can't, sorry. If you were inspired, I urge you, please, before thinking about fasting, do 2 things. One is consult your doctor. Maybe he knows something that you forgot about. And second of all, write your why. Why would you like to do it? And be very specific. because the more specific you are, the more this reason is going to hold you, hold you up when you are having a bad day. So yeah, that's it for me. Day 15 is slowly slowly going to end. So yeah, thank you for your time, thank you for your patience, and I hope to see you tomorrow with less pain and in day 16. Thanks, bye.